Ganga House. First,
Today to celebrate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda.
Today we are conducting a seminar. Swami Vivekananda was a great philosopher. His birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day.
Okay, listen here. Students, today is very great day because it's the birthday of the great philosopher, reformer Swami Vivekananda. His birth anniversary today. To celebrate his birth anniversary, we are conducting seminars in our Cambridge school. Okay, so let's listen to the seminar and let's learn more about the great icon for the youth, especially. That is the reason this day is celebrated as a National Youth Day. Okay, because of its great inspirational thoughts for the youngsters. Okay, so let's listen the seminar and we will learn and we will enjoy. Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone. We are from the Ganga House. Today our seminar topic is about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great Indian spiritual leader and youth icon who inspired the whole world with his self-confidence, unity and service to humanity. He is remembered as a symbol of wisdom, strength and patriotism. Next I would like to call upon Rida sister from the class 9 standard and Chanbaswa S from the class 8 standard to give information about birth and childhood of the Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 at Kolkata. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. He was a brave and intelligent student in his childhood.
He loves music and gymnastics, reading book. As a children, he asked deep question about good thought, the meaning of the life.
I would like to call upon Adi Sinchana from the class 7th standard to give information about family background of Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda was born in a well-educated family. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was a lawyer and he believed in modern education and rational thinking.
His mother, Bhuvaneshwari Devi, was a religious woman with a strong moral character. From his father, he learnt logic and reasoning, and from his mother, he learnt devotion towards the God and self-control.
Next, I would like to call upon Bhagya and Sridevi from the class 9th standard to give information about Swami Vivekananda in Kannada.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು 1863ರ ಜನವರಿ 12ರಂದು ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರು ನರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ದತ್ತ. ಇವರು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಬಹಳ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸುವ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಇವರದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ, ಓದುವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು.
ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ದತ್ತ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ತರ್ಕಬದ್ಧ ಚಿಂತನೆಗೆ ಮಹತ್ವ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಿ ಅವರು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Call upon Samanvita and Nirjala from the class 7th standard to give information about philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. Education and interest in philosophy. Narendranath was an excellent student. He studied at Scottish Church College in Kolkata. He learned Western philosophy, science, history and literature. At the same time of deeply studied Indian scripture like Vedas, Bhagavad Gita and
political works, and his sharp intellect and scripture curiosity made him different from other. Thank you. I would call upon Mahin and Bhavana from the class 9th standard to give information about meeting of Sir Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
Turning point came in his life when Narendranath met with Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa at the Dakeshwar Kali temple. Narendranath boldly asked him, "Have you seen God?" "Yes, I have seen God as clearly as I seen you." This answer deeply impressed Narendranath Datta and followed the path of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
Now I would like to call upon Sagar brother and Chanbaswa brother from the class 9th standard to give more information about Swami Vivekananda.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದದ ಜಯಂತಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಜನವರಿ 1863ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವೆಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಎಂದು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರು ನರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ದತ್ತ. ಹಿಂದೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರು ಶಿಷ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. 1902 39ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಧನರಾದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಇವರು ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸಂಚರಿಸಿದ ಬಡವ ಮತ್ತು ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದವರು. ಇವರು ಮಾನವ ಸೇವೆಯೇ ದೇವ ಸೇವೆ ಎಂದು ತತ್ವಪದವನ್ನು ಸಾರಿದರು. ಯುವ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Now I would to call upon Abhishek brother from the class 8th standard and Chanbaswa brother K from the class 9th standard to give information about spiritual transformation of Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda is traveled across India as a wandering monk, and he saw the poverty, suffering of people. This experience made him believe that serving humanity and serving good.
Under the guidance of Sri Ramakrishna, Narendra Datta experienced a great spiritual transformation. He became a monk with the name of Swami Vivekananda.
Now I would like to call upon Bhagya from the class 7th standard to give information about Swami Vivekananda in Kannada.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ನಾನು ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು 1863ರ ಜನವರಿ 12ರಂದು ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರು ನರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ದತ್ತ. ಇವರು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು, ಧೈರ್ಯಶಾಲಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸುವ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಸಂಗೀತ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now I would like to call upon Sanjana sister and Ananya for give famous thoughts of Swami Vivekananda.
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. You are the creator of your own destiny. Thank you. Serve human as God. Strength is life, weakness is death.
Upon Gayatri and Varshini for tell famous thoughts of Swami Vivekananda in Kannada.
ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಭಯವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದು ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗಿರಿ.
ಏಳಿರಿ, ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ, ಗುರಿಯೊಂದು ತಲುಪುವವರೆಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಡಿ. ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಜೀವನ, ದುರ್ಬಲತೆಯೇ ಮರಣ. ಮಾನವನ ಸೇವೆಯೇ ದೇವ ಸೇವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಂತ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಚಿಂತಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಧಾರಕರು. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂಬಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜದ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಇವರ ಜೀವನವೇ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
9th standard. I am the captain of Tunga House. Today we are going to conduct a seminar on the great thinker of Swami Vivekananda. He teaches on the universal brotherhood and youth and character building, self-confidence and service humanity. Let us understand, give some information about this. Now Shivkumar from the class 7 to give the information about the concept of universal brotherhood.
Universal brotherhood teaches that all human beings are equal and belongs to one global family. Swami Vivekananda believed that peace and harmony are possible when people respect one another. This idea helps in building tolerance, unity, and peaceful society.
ಸಹೋದರತ್ವ ಎಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾನವರು ಒಂದೇ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಎಂಬ ಭೇದ ಭಾವನೆ, ಜಾತಿ, ಧರ್ಮ, ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡದೆ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now I would like to call upon you the importance of the youth and character. Now I would like to call upon Harshit from the class 6th and the Nasreen from the class 7th standard to give the information.
Strength of the nation. Swami Vivekananda believed that every young people should develop a strong character and discipline. Strong character helps to make a strong and moral society. Thank you.
अच्छे संस्कार और अनुशासन और आत्मविश्वास के साथ युवा अपने जीवन में सफल होते हैं और समाज को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. धन्यवाद. Explain about the Vedanta philosophies of the Swami Vivekananda.
Vedanta philosophy of Swami Vivekananda teaches that the soul is divine and the same in all human beings. Says true happiness comes from self-knowledge and right understanding. Swami Vivekananda explained Vedanta as way to live with truth, peace and inner strength. Of Swami Vivekananda, divinity of the soul, meaning every human being is divine by the nature. The soul is pure, powerful and eternal. Thank you.
Upon Vedant brother from the class 9th and the Meghna from the class 8th standard to explain the service to humanity and service to God.
And service to God. It means helping poor people is equal to God.
ದೇವರ ಸೇವೆ. ಬಡ ಅಗತ್ಯದಿಂದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ದೇವರನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Encouraged people, especially youth, to be strong, brave and confident. He thought that fear weakness a person, but courage, self-belief help achieve success in life. Thank you.
From the class 8th standard to give the conclusion of this seminar.
Swami Vivekananda thought important lessons for life and society. He believed in universal brotherhood, the strength and self-realization through Vedantas. He encouraged service to God as service to humanity and inspired people to be strong, fearless and self-confident. Thank you.
Kriti from the class 9th standard and I am the captain of Krishna House. Today Krishna House is presenting a seminar on contributions of legacy of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda believed that true religion lies on strength, service and character. His life and ideas continue to inspire millions even today. So let us now understand the Swami Vivekananda's contributions to society. Information about the institutional contributions of Swami Vivekananda. I invite the Girija and Srinidhi to present an establishment and objects of Swami Vivekananda.
Contributions of Swami Vivekananda was the establishment of Ramakrishna Mission. In 1897, it was founded to spread the teachings of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
Good afternoon everyone. Today's my topic is objects of mission. The Ramakrishna Mission works for spiritual and moral uplift. It focuses on education and health care and social service. It promotes harmony among all religions. Thank you.
To understand Swami Vivekananda views on education and character, I invite the group of speakers Geeta and Sania.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಿಲ್ಲದ ಜೀವನ ಅಪೂರ್ಣ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
शैक्षणिक संस्थान प्रभाव. रामकृष्ण मिशन भारत में कई स्कूल और कॉलेज चलाते हैं. उनका उद्देश्य जिम्मेदारी और नैतिक नागरिक बनाना है. धन्यवाद.
See how Swami Vivekananda philosophy transferred into social service and healthcare. I invite the group of speaker Mithun, Vedant, Vishwajit and Amit.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vishwajit.
I am from the class 6 standard. Today my topic is about healthcare service. The Ramakrishna Mission run hospitals and medical camps. Free treatment is provided to the needy. These services are offered without discrimination. Good afternoon. My topic is about social welfare activities of Swami Vivekananda. The Ramakrishna Mission is helps during floods and other distress.
Today my topic is service to humanity. Swami Vivekananda thought that service to humanity is service to God.
He helping build the poor, highest form of worship. He teaching turns spirituality to action. To learn about Swami Vivekananda influence on Indians' national character, so I call upon next group of speaker Yashmita and Chodeshwari.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने सीधे तौर पर स्वतंत्र आंदोलन में भाग नहीं लिया, लेकिन उनके विचारों ने अनगिनत स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को देशभक्ति, आत्मसम्मान, निर्भय की गहरी भावना से प्रेरित किया. उन्हें आधुनिक भारतीय राष्ट्रवाद का आध्यात्मिक जनक माना जाता है. ಆತ್ಮನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ಸಂದೇಶ. ಅವರು ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಭಯವನ್ನು ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಜಯಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು.
So next I would like to call upon Bhanupriya to tell about teachings of Swami Vivekananda.
ದೇಶದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಮರು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲು ಯುವ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಸಂದೇಶವು ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ಭಯವಾಗಿರಲು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
To conclude the content with Swami Vivekananda's global legacy, I would like to call upon Revati to tell about it.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಪ್ರಭಾವವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಹರಡಿತು. ಅವರನ್ನು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ನಾಯಕ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಂತಕ ಎಂದು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಪರಂಪರೆಯು ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
Next I would like to call upon Prasanna brother to tell about summary.
Swami Vivekananda was a great monk, thinker and nation builder. He established the Ramakrishna Mission to serve humanity without discrimination. He believed in education should build character and courage and confidence.
Now I would like to call upon Saurabh brother to give a conclusion.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Saurabh of grade 9th and today I am going to conclude our seminar's presentation. As we all know, Swami Vivekananda was a social reformer, a philosopher and an Indian who taught everyone about Indian legacy. He was not only a legend, but he was also a powerful man with his powerful words. His ideas and thoughts inspired many during the freedom struggle, including Subhash Chandra Bose. He taught us to be brave and face our life with courage. His ideas still inspire many of the people in the world. Now we should continue his legacy by following his principles with action, discipline and respect. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Akshata from the class 9th standard and I am the captain of the Kaveri House. Today my team we are going to present a seminar on the topic Swami Vivekananda at the world stage. Swami Vivekananda was a great Indian philosopher and spiritual leader and also introduced Indian philosophy and values to entire world. Our team will show how Swami Vivekananda made India proud on the world stage. Now I would like to call upon Sumit from the class 8th and Basav Chetan brother from the class 9th to explain Swami Vivekananda participation in Chicago Parliament of Religions.
Parliament of Religions in 1893 and Swami Vivekananda is the representative India at the Chicago Parliament Religions in 1893 and he introduced the Indian philosophy to the overall world.
1893ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಚಿಕಾಗೋ ಧರ್ಮ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದರು.
Next I would like to call upon Saharsh from the class 8th, Mamata from the class 6th and Rehamat from the class 7th to explain the famous speech of Brothers and Sisters of America.
Brothers and Sisters of the America won the heart of the audience and spread the universal brotherhood to the nation.
Brothers and Sisters of America कह के उन्होंने सभी का दिल जीत लिया का संदेश दिया. Brothers and Sisters of America ಎಂಬ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಶತ್ರುಗಳ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದವು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಸಂದೇಶ ನೀಡಿದರು.
To call upon Ajit from the class 7th and Vaishnavi from the class 7th to tell Swami Vivekananda impact on world spirituality.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने दुनिया को सहिष्णुता संदेश और सभी धर्म के समान को संदेश दिया. ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಸಹಿಷ್ಣುತೆ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Next, I would like to call upon Anirudh from the class 6th and Bhavana from the class 6th to explain the Swami Vivekananda about the global platform.
Today my topic is India on the global platform. He showed about that India is a land of wisdom, culture and integrative values. विचारों ने स्वामी विवेकानंद के ज्ञान, आत्मविश्वास और विचारों के प्रसन्ना की.
Next, I would like to call upon Shivani from the class 6th to tell the Swami Vivekananda at the global platform.
ಭಾರತವು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯವೆಂದು ಅವರು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
Next, I would like to call upon Shivraj from the class 6th and Harish from the class 6th to tell the Swami Vivekananda appreciation by Western thinkers.
Today my topic is appreciation for Western thinkers. Western thinkers admired Swami Vivekananda for his confidence and knowledge and powerful ideas. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದರು.
Next, I would like to call upon Shivani from the class 6th and Shravya from the class 6th and Saiba from the class 7th to explain the life story of Swami Vivekananda and his thoughts.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने दुनिया को दिखाया कि भारत ज्ञान, संस्कृति और आध्यात्मिक शक्ति की भूमि है. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದರು. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿದರು, ಇವರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕವಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಅದನ್ನು 30 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನೀವಿದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗಿದ್ರಾಗ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಅಂತಾರ, ನೀವಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾರ. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಾರ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಹೆಸರು ಶಿವಾನಿ, ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಒಂದು ನುಡಿಮುತ್ತನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ ಎಂದರೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವವನು, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಎಂದರೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವವನು. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಇದ್ರ ನಾವು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Call upon Srujana from the class 8th to tell the conclusion about this seminar.
Swami Vivekananda's words and ideas connected India with the world and inspired humanity. He truly made India and proud on the world stage. Thank you.